I'm excited about this next project. This is the foil for the nails, guys. And I'm so excited about it. Oh, look at the colors that I got. Look at the colors. So, guys, I'm going to cut me off a little piece. And I'm going to put it on my nails. I'm so excited about this, guys. And due to the fact that I did cure my nail, I'm not going to go through the process of trying to take it off. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, I'm excited that I bought a portable UV nail light. Okay, so technically I need to take this polish off, but unfortunately, guys, I put it on. It is on with I cured it with my UV lamp, so it turned it into a gel polish, so it's going to be hard to take off. So they say to take, you okay, Gino? They say to take the nail glue and put it on there. And then you put the foil stuff on top. I got to pop the hole in my glue. My glue is kind of sitting around, so you know how that it get that build up. Come on. I hate it when I get ready to do my videos for you guys and stuff don't go right. But I guess it's a work in action. So I'm trying to get the glue open. Put the hole. There we go. Okay, so guys, I'm going to take some glue. It say take some nail glue and put it over the top of the nail. Okay. So after you take the nail glue and put it over top of the nail, it say to cut your sticker. Take your sticker and put that on top and then press it down. Press it down in there. So I'm going to press it. It don't seem like it's sticking, guys. I hope it's because I got this nail polish on. It's not a clean nail. So it say put nail glue on. And I didn't buy the glue stuff that go with it. So it seemed to be just sliding, guys. But it say put that on and then press. So I'm going to keep pressing until I get it to in here and I'll come back, guys. All right, so now that I have it to stick, it said cut off any excess. So I'm going to cut off the excess with my scissors. Cut it off. It was hard getting it to stick, and probably because I do have polish on top. So that you probably want to take that off. So after they say you cut it, cut off all the excess. I'm cutting it. These scissors is crappy. So, Gino, shh. You can't start that. So I'm cutting off all the excess, guys. Then the next step, it says, is for you to take a top coat. After you get all the excess cut and get it fine like you want it, you're supposed to take a top coat, guys. I need to glue down some more of the sides, but it says you're supposed to take a top coat and put the top coat on top of the nail. So I'm still trying to get all the fine detail. So rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it. Rub it. So then it tells you to take like any glue corners and do the fine parts. So I'm trying to get all around the cuticles and stuff. Okay. So next step, guys, I am going to put some top coat on here, guys. It say take some top coat and put it on. Then I'm going to put it under the curing light. And then we're going to see what it do. And then any excess I need to clean up. So I'm taking the top coat and putting it on here, guys. Taking the top coat. Putting it on there. Come on. And I don't have it as neat as it needs to be, guys. It needs to be neater than this. So now that I took the top coat, I'm going to take the UV light, guys, and let it cure. And I'm going to come back, guys. I'll be back. Guys, if you guys can see, I definitely see why they want you to remove the nail polish. So I don't know if you guys can see that pink is coming through. So I'm actually going to have to foul off the polish, guys. But I'm going to watch some more videos and get a little bit more experience. And then I'll come back with you guys with a better follow-up video, because I feel like it could have been better. But I got to get this polish off, so I'm going to have to file off the gel polish, guys, and try and do another nail, guys. And I actually do have the, literally have the glue stuff coming, but I was so thirsty because I ordered it, I ordered the stickers from eBay, and I ordered the gel and the other stuff from Amazon. So I think it's coming away from China. So it's going to be a little bit before it get here. So I just was so thirsty to show it to you guys. And it's beautiful, but I do feel like I need more experience in learning how to use it. And but that's what it turned out like. And I'm actually still curing it under the light because I realized that it is not all the way dry, guys. So when I get more experience and get it better, guys, I'll come back to you guys with a better detailed video, because I do feel like I'm lacking the experience. And it was hard to get it to stick. And then I do see where you shouldn't have on polish because the other polish picks up. And then another thing, the stuff came off. So I don't know if that's normal. Like the stuff wound up sticking to the nail and this plastic stuff came off. So I don't remember that happening in the video that I saw. So I'm going to go back to the drawing board, guys, and watch more. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye. I'm going to try it again. So I watched a couple videos, and the first glue that I used, guys, was like an off-brand, like super glue that I got from the dollar store. This is actually a nail glue. So I'm going to put the nail glue on the nail, and we're going to try this again. So hopefully the result should be better now that I'm using an actual nail glue and not super glue. So I think that created a problem right there with me using super glue, not an actual real nail glue. So now that I have this on, guys, I'm going to take the back of this brush and rub it, because we're trying to get it to transfer over to the nail. So we're going to try this, guys, and hopefully this outcome will be a lot better. But yeah, they say use a nail glue. I use just a super glue, so I think that created a problem within itself. So I'm going to keep rubbing this out, guys, and then hopefully it should transfer to the nail. So this outcome should be better. Should be a lot better now. Pressing, pressing, pressing. And then I'm going to peel up, and hopefully it works better this time, guys. So let's see. Okay, it did. It worked out a whole lot better. So yeah, they said to use a nail glue, and I was using an actual super glue. So now, guys, I'm just going to put my top coat on and then let it cure under my UV light. So now I'm putting on the top coat, and it did work out a lot better, guys. And I'm going to let it cure, and I'll come back, guys. Alrighty. As when I did the video, wow, I realized that when I played it back, it wasn't in the frame. So, guys, all I was doing was taking it and rubbing the brush across the nail. That's all I'm doing, guys. So, but I realized the camera wasn't in frame. So that's all I was doing, taking the back of the nail brush and rubbing it down, rubbing it down, rubbing it down, and then just pull up. So that's all I was doing, guys. But I realized, I'm like, oh my gosh, it is not in frame. So if you notice it's just on half of the nail, then you just take some more glue and put it on the other side. I'm like, oh my gosh, it is not in the frame. So let's take the rest of this sticker, set it right here, push that down, and then I'm just taking the back of this and rub. Okay guys, here's a couple screenshots. Definitely got to do a lot more practicing, but if you take your time, it can look a lot better.